This Zanussi ZWF71340W washing machine has been built with performance in mind and comes with incredible features and programs that will leave your laundry cleaner than ever, and all delivered whilst maintaining an A++ energy rating. With a roomy 7 kilogram capacity, this washer is perfect for small families and has plenty of room for larger items like bed linens, blankets, or just a weekly wash for 3 to 4 people. With 4 temperature settings, this machine is loaded with handy features that give you the flexibility to tailor your cycle to your load. Select from any of the 14 specially designed programs on the dial, and there's some fantastic options here, including the 30 at 30, which allows you to wash a 3 kilogram load in 30 minutes at 30 degrees. This cycle's ideal for freshening up a few items you need in a hurry, as well as saving you time and money. There are a great array of cycles designed specifically for materials like cotton, wool, delicates, synthetics and denim. Plus, there's an easy iron setting too, designed to reduce your workload. You can use any of these settings in conjunction with the delay start system, reducing the time your laundry is likely to be sitting in the drum whilst damp. This model also comes with an Aqua Full wash system that helps get your washing detergent and water to the centre of the load quickly, ensuring even distribution for exceptional results. With flexibility and function at the heart of this machine, it's a great choice for growing families who have an active lifestyle and who are looking for both top performance and efficiency from their washer. So let's remind you of those key features again.